Hi, my name is Michael Rose with United Window and Door, and today we want to talk about how to operate the 9600 hybrid window with the exclusive lock and tilt hardware. This lock and tilt hardware that you see is an optional feature only available on the 9600 that completely changes the look of the window. Once you see this hardware, you'll never want to use normal hardware again. This particular window has WOCD's window operating control devices. When you raise your window, it's going to stop 4 inches. You can also choose not to use WOCDs. You'll be able to raise the window up and down in a full cycle of motion. But if you do have WOCD, the window is going to stop at 4 inches. With the lock and tilt hardware, you're simply going to push the lock. You're going to hear 2 clicks, and it will release the WOCD. To tilt the window in, you are simply going to push the locks inward, and your sash will pop down for easy cleaning. Lower the top sash. You have your standard tilt latches on the top. You're going to push them inward with both hands. Your top sash will drop down, and now you have full access to clean both the top and the bottom sash. To bring the top sash back into place, you are simply going to push it back in, raise it, and it engages. Because this lock and tilt hardware also has a deadbolt system, you cannot simply pop it back into place. As you can see here, it's going to hit against the jamb. So what you want to do is you want to simply re-engage, push the locks in, back into place, lock the window, and that's all it takes.